Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aliyah. I love you so much. I hope you have a great day today. Love you!
Happy Teacher's Day po, Miss Aliyah. Thank you for all your great teaching and all of your great advices po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aliyah. I hope you have a great day and thank you for being there with us, and you teach us great so much. I love it. I love it.
Happy Teacher's Day, and thank you for teaching us what to do and everything important about life. Thank you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aliyah. I love you. Thank you for teaching us. Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aliyah. I hope you're having a great day today.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aliyah. Thank you for teaching us everything we needed to know and your patience for teaching us even though we're very noisy.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aliyah. Pasalamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin ng mabuti at mahal ka po namin.
Is this okay?
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Alejo. Thank you for always being there for us. We appreciate you so much po. Happy Teacher's Day po ulit.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Alejo.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aliyah.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Alejo.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aleo. Maraming salamat sa paggabay mo at sana hanggang sa di ka na namin advisor ay susuportahan at gagabayan niyo po rin po kami.
Maraming salamat din po sa mga tulong niyo po sa amin at iniintindi niyo rin po kami kahit na kami po ay masaway.
Salamat po sa pagtulong sa aming edukasyon at sa pagtuturo.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Aleo. Maraming salamat po.
Happy Teacher's Day. We love and appreciate you. Thanks so much.
Teacher's Day, Miss Alejo. Thank you for your guidance, patience, and dedication. Thank you for your hard work.
Happy Teacher's Day! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating teachers. Lalong-lalo po kami Alejo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong presensya at pag-unawa po sa ating estudyante.
Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day to Miss Gina, and we love you very much.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Gina! Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Kina.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Kina. Happy Teacher's Day po, Miss Kina. Salamat po sa inyong tiyaga at malasakit sa pagtuturo niyo po sa amin. Naway maging masaya at makulay ang inyong espesyal na araw. Happy Teacher's Day din po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa Diyos. Wait, there's more. Huwag po kayong magalit lagi sa amin, Miss Kina. Dahil lagi po kayong cute pag lagi kayong masaya sa amin. Miss Kina, I wanted to greet you and happy Teacher's Day.
Panty Droppers League.
Kapag hinayaang lumipas, madarama mo hanggang pulas. Di mababawi muli.
Dear teachers, thank you for your continuous effort
and patience towards us students.
Thank you for always showing up for us.
Thank you for your love and support.
Thank you for your wisdom, kindness, and values you shared with us.
Thank you for showing us our potential.
We are truly grateful.
What do you like about Miss Sel?
What I like about Miss Sel is that she's very sweet and considerate.
Sel is a loving girl, a loving teacher, a loving mom to us. Grade 9, Maranao.
I really like Miss Sel's kindness and attitude towards her students.
Yes! I like her because she's kind. Yeah.
I think she is very approachable.
The way she spreads the words of God.
So far, how do you feel being part of Grade 9 Maranao, and what do you wish on our section for the future?
I feel proud as a Grade 9 Maranao student because Miss Sel has guided us on how to become proper students, and I hope for Maranao's future this school year is that we perform well in both academics and health, and that I hope that this section can end really good for this school year.
What do you think are the best trait a teacher can have, and who is that teacher?
For me, I think it's Miss Sel and Mrs. Pakinggan, because I think Mrs. Pakinggan has a soft spot when it comes to high schoolers, and Miss Sel because of course she has experience with other students, but to us I feel like she listens more, because the shift from online class to in real life class is a hard shift, so she has to do more work as an advisor.
What traits or personalities do you like about this section?
I like how enthusiastic and how fun our section is. I think our section is very enjoyable, and I'm really looking forward to our school year.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Miss Sel, and thank you po sa pagtuturo, and yun na.
Happy Teacher's Day po sa mga teachers, especially po kay Miss Gabby, advisor po namin. Thank you po for understanding us always, for taking care of us, 10 bonto, kahit po pasaway kami. And thank you po sa pagiging mapagbigay nyo sa amin, and sa pagiging caring and loving nyo po sa amin, Miss Gabby. Sana po maging masaya kayo sa araw na to, and sana po hindi na po kayong ma-stress sa kulit namin.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers out there, especially to our advisor, Miss Gabby. Miss Gabby, thank you for being our advisor for the school year 2025 to 2026. It means a lot for us, your students, Bonto. Because sometimes nga po, makulit nga po kami, pasaway, maingay, but still na-handle nyo pa rin po kami, and napagtsatsagaan nyo pa rin po kami i-handle. As 34 students kami, and I appreciate your efforts and hard works po, Miss Gabby. And sa pagpapakatotoo niyo po, ayun po yung nagustuhan ko sa inyo as our advisor. Again, Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Gabby. We love you so much.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Gabby. Thank you for being the best advisor we could ever ask for as Bonto. Thank you for keeping up with us kahit sobrang kulit na po namin. Again, Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Gabby. We love you.
Hi, Mama Gabby! Happy Teacher's Day! Sana matupad mo yung pangarap mo, lahat-lahat. Kung ano man gusto mo sa buhay, sana matupad mo hanggang doon sa taas. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, mahal na mahal ka namin. Tapos, sana madali na lang long test sa English. Bye!
Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers. I want to take this moment to say how much I appreciate everything you do. Thank you for your patience, dedication, and for always showing up for us, even on the hard days. You truly make a difference. Again, Happy Teacher's Day, and may your day be filled with joy, love, and the recognition you truly deserve.
In every lesson, in all that you say, we honor you this Teacher's Day. We are great and Bonto, sending love your way. We love you, Miss Gabby.
On this Teacher's Day, we celebrate the extraordinary Miss Michelle, our advisor whose intellectual process, prowess, and boundless patience transform our classroom into a sanctuary of wisdom and curiosity. Her ability to navigate our antics with equanimity.
Wow, parang Shakespeare kung makapag-speech ha.
And sharp wit turns even the most perplexing moments into opportunities for growth and laughter, making her not only a paragon of erudition and perseverance, but also a source of genuine joy and inspiration. Miss Michelle, your dedication is Herculean, your humor indispensable, and your mentorship an invaluable beacon guiding us through the labyrinth of learning and life.
Ma'am, after po ba nito, exhibit kami sa long test?
Hindi!
Alam kong gusto mo ko para sa'yo, pero baby, hindi uubra. Kahit lumuha ka, pasensya.
Happy na Teacher's Day pa! Happy na Teacher's Day pa! Happy na Teacher's Day pa! Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day po! Once in a while! Teacher's Day!
Hi Sir and Miss! Happy Teacher's Day! I have a short message, Miss, from Proverbs 9 verse 9. Instruct the wise and they will be wiser still. Teach the righteous and they will add to their learning.
I also have short message. Romans 12 verse 7. If it's teaching, then teach.
I have short message also.
Luke 6 verse 40. The student is not about a teacher, but everyone who's fully trained will be like their teacher.
Sir, bye sir! Salute!
Good day, Sir and Mark. Good day, Miss Ira. We have a short message for you. Shout out to you, Miss Ira.
Shout out to you, Sir.
That's right. Oh, that's right. And we wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Happy New Year. Teacher's Day.
Yes.
And next year ulit. Yes.
Yes.
Ikaw naman.
Go. I have short message. Wait. Thank you for guidance, patience, and dedication. Your passion for teaching has made a lasting impact on my life, and I'm truly grateful for everything you do. You inspire not just with your words, but through your action every day.
What's your message, Maurice?
Thank you for everything, and even you guys. Hug them.
My turn. Maligayang araw mga guro. Maraming salamat po sa tiyaga at gabay ninyo. Kahit minsan mas pasaway kami. Nandyan pa rin kami para turuan at itawid kami. Yes. Kung may award para sa patient, siguro kayo ang winner.
Bye-bye.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sarah. We wish you all the best in life. Bye-bye.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ren, Mark, and Miss Hyra. Message. I'm sorry. Happy Teacher's Day to the one who guided me well. I struggle so much.
Hello. Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Hyra and Sir Ren. Thank you for teaching me kindness and knowledge.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ren and Miss Hyra. To the teacher whose patient shaped my life.
Day!